So these are the 3 accounts I was talking about, and yes, some of them may be hacked, but right now they're not hacked because I checked them, and so yeah. So these are the accounts. Well, there's only like 2. So what the hell? Oh, I was upside down. Well, sorry. Woo! There it is. So, capital X, lowercase x, pink pie, capital X, lowercase x, then capital X. The password for this one is pie love 123. Okay, the other one is, okay, wait, capital X, lowercase x, choc chip, lowercase x, capital X, free. The password is yum choc 123. If you can't really understand me or can't really see it, then I'll write them down in description. Thanks, bye bye. Peace, love, and bye.